Hello everyone, I am Sraman Pramanik and today I am presenting my work on leveraging sentence demarcation and multi-op attention for meme effect analysis. This work was performed by me when I was a research assistant at the LCS2 lab, IIIT Delhi, India. I thank to my professors for guiding me in this research. In recent years, internet memes have been emerged as one of the most circulated entity in social media platform. Being so popular, the in, the importance of understanding meme is very important. However, meme understanding is an extremely difficult problem because of the implicit world knowledge and background context. Additionally, two memes can have exact the same image but convey entirely different semantics. As an example, the first two memes shown in this slide are completely same in the visual modality, but they do not express the same semantics because of the textual modality. Some memes are visually rich and some memes are textually rich. For example, the third and fourth meme in this slide have rich visual content. However, the fifth meme in this slide is have at almost no visual content. Given a meme M, the background image I and the foreground text T can be extracted using an optical character recognition tool. In this work, given a meme M, we analyze the emotion of meme expressed in three different dimensions: the sentiment classification, affect classification, and the affect quantification. In this work, we have used the Memotion 1.0 dataset, which was released in the same year 2020, shared task on Memotion analysis. Previous work in multimodal fusion can be broadly classified in three different categories: the early fusion, the late fusion, and the hybrid fusion. Early fusion directly integrates multiple sources of data in a single feature vector and uses a single classifier. On the other hand, late fusion refers to the aggregation of decision from multiple sentiment classifiers, each render different modalities. However, hybrid fusion employs an intermediate shared representation layer by merging multiple modality-specific paths and has been most successful in the literature. Meme emotion analysis has not been explored much in NLP literature. In 2020, Samehival shared task as a part of emotion analysis, top participants used various innovative models for the meme classification, and they performed very well on the shared task. In this paper, we propose MHM meme multi-hop attention for meme emotion analysis and effective and attentive framework that effectively selects and utilizes complementary features from textual and visual modalities to capture multiple aspects of emotion expressed by a meme. We report state-of-the-art result for all the three tasks, and we establish the interpretability of MHM meme using line framework. In this slide, the overall architecture of MHM is shown. The principal components are text encoder, image encoder, multi-hop attention, attentive fusion of different modalities, and the final classifier layer. we extract the text features using ByLSTM and image features using PCG19. After the image features are extracted, the image encoding filter outputs refined image features so that the textual modality and the image modality do not have redundant information. The multi-hop attention layer helps in capturing all different semantics expressed by a meme applied on top of image and textual features. The attention-based multimodal fusion is the cross-modality attention layer, which computes modality-specific attention scores for a given meme sample. We have presented all the implementation details in the paper. The table 2 of the paper shows the hyperparameter used in the model. Our implementation is publicly available in the given code, and the web page can be gone using the QR code. We present the ablation results on our system in this table. We started our experiments using the unimodal systems. Among the unimodal system, the textual modality performed better than the image modality. We have seen that in our application, ByLSTM performs better than BERT. Though comparable, the BERT does not perform well than by LSTM. It could be because of the shorter segmented text for which the LSTM performs well to capture short-term dependencies. Subsequently, we include the OCR text segment in our model and observe the performance gain in macro F1 score for all the tasks. The superior performance of segmented text supports our hypothesis that different segments reflects different semantics and should be processed separately to extract fine-grained features. Afterwards, we combine the both modality and we observe that bimodal models perform much better than the unimodal models, which is very expected. In this slide, we have shown that our proposed MHA-MIM system performs better than all the top performing systems in the same-level emotion analysis challenge in a range of 1.5 to 3% of macro F1 score. We have also visualized our results using bar chart, and the improvement of our system is noticeable. It is noticeable. Afterward, we analyze the importance of different modules into our system. When we replace our ATMF layer with a simple concatenation fusion layer or the AT fusion layer, which was proposed by Soujanya Poria in 2017, we observe that ATMF performs superior than both the simple concatenation and the AT fusion layer. The incorporation of multi-hop attention also yields 2% improvement than single hop attention or the traditional attention for all the different model variants. Lastly, we show the interpretability of MHA-MIM. Nowadays, the neural network system cannot be treated as black box, so the interpretability of a given system is very important. In the visual modality, the face of the character present in the meme are most influential. For this example, our proposed MHA-MIM system can classify the meme correctly into positive sentiment. In the textual modality, we see that the words like smile and more are very contributing towards the positive class. Moreover, we also plot the attention waste computed by MHA-MIM for the same example, and the word smile has the highest attention, supporting the explanation of line framework as well. In conclusion, our proposed MHA-MIM system performs consistently well across all the three tasks on emotion analysis data set. In comparison, the baseline system does not report consistent performance, and we also analyze the interpretability of our proposed MHA-MIM system. Thank you. I am ready to take questions.